Hey, Brinny. Hi, Bryn.
Hi.
Hi, Bryn. You gonna tell us a story?
Yeah, what? I'll tell you
Hi.
a story when I was a little girl.
Today is March
23rd.
23rd. Bryn is
Yeah.
almost 2
Almost
months
2.
old.
And she's
Oh,
so
she's talking.
happy about
What
it.
do you have to say, Luke?
And she's so
Say,
happy about
who's
it.
holding Bryn, Luke?
Papa?
Who's holding Bryn? Lukey.
Oh.
Who's holding Bryn? Who's this? Who's this? Luke. 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 Who's this? Who am I?
That's Mima and Bumpa.
Hi, Bryn.
There she is.
Are you a hungry girl?
Oh, I'm starving.
Oh.
Don't they feed you around this place?